Hello guys, once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by MS. My name is Siddhant and again talking about the series which we have been very vocal, and it's actually making a difference in many of the students' life, and thank you so much for supporting this series guys. So again continuing with the series on career in law, we have again came up with an important segment or the industry which is have been booming since post COVID, and it will going to boom in the next 20-50 years again, that is education, because education is something which has been there, which is going to be there, and besides this भले AI आ जाए कुछ भी आ जाए, but the explainers, mentors, educators, teachers are going to be there because someone of the intellect level is needed. ठीक है. So, and also one of my favorite क्योंकि because we are also the part of this particular segment only. So if anyone of any of the viewer right now or any of their child wants to make up an option into the field along with the law, that you think that you have that teaching instinct and you can definitely make a change in someone's student's life like we are doing, Get Set Law team is doing, so definitely this particular video is for you. So please don't forget to watch this video till the end. I have taken up multiple pointers in what all areas, why it's the next booming option for you or for your student is being there, or for your child it's there. So let's start with this video on the career in law, that is in academia or the legal edtech. But let's understand ki what this particular career path is all about. So it majorly helps an individual who has that teaching instinct कि मुझे पढ़ाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but I also want or also like a particular field, that is law. So can I make an entry into it and help people? Definitely being there. One part is that is a legal researcher, where you can conduct research and publish articles. Because on the basis of these researchers, people do rely on those facts and the search which you have done it on your ground primarily, and then it help in the coming generation to go for it. Next, it talks about an edtech content creator. So education with technology, content, creating, telling people, imparting knowledge through online platform. Somewhere I've even heard about it that maybe a case that TV and all these channels are going to end up one day, but this YouTubing or content creation is something which is going to be there for the next big change which will going to come up, but तब तक तो रहने वाला है. So education के साथ में this is going to be there. So you can develop an online learning material for legal education with this career path which helps you do. Next is a legal educator, like we are teaching people. We are from an institute. You might join some another institute or our own institute. Why not? Then you can definitely go and join some college, a university, any school where you can impart this knowledge and tell people, make aware about all their legal rights. And it's even not, it is not only happening with law colleges, but also with a college with a commerce background, where they actually want to talk about the legal implications when they're starting up with the startup. So startup culture, legal implication, everything coming together helps to make your career path into this. So जब ये समझ आ गया, इसके बाद क्या? Next it comes out कि मेरी roles and responsibility क्या रहेगी? So you will be helping students to teach law subjects at university, college or online platform, design their curriculum, courses, learning material. This can only be done by the people who has an understanding of this industry, who has an understanding of the students बिहेवियर एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट दैट फील्ड. तो जब लॉ की समझ नहीं होगी तो ये कैसे कर पाओगे? तो ये इजी बन जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, यू कैन कंडक्ट लीगल रिसर्च, मेंटर एंड गाइड स्टूडेंट्स इन द मूट कोर्ट्स, internships and the research projects as well, and you can even work with edtech companies to develop an interactive learning modules, which a lot many freelancers also does with the institute and few even done for us also. ठीक है. So ये एक रोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मल्टीपल एरिया बहुत है. तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन हो गया, कंटेंट बनाना, मटेरियल हो गया बुकलेट फॉर्म में, ऑनलाइन फॉर्म में, व्लॉगिंग हो गई, ब्लॉग्स हो गए, मल्टीपल एरियाज आर देयर वेयर यू with your expertise, your own knowledge, you can make an entry and we become easy. Next we talk about कि अब मुझे choose क्यों करना, because it help in shaping future lawyers. So law as a field अगर ये booming है, लग रहा है ये जाने वाली है, तो my knowledge, my education can help someone to shape their own future. कैसे कि भाई I know the law, I can help them in understanding in the simple way, and you know the new ways of making it understand to the people. Next you talk about intellectual satisfaction, where people definitely talk about their IPR rights, they want to go for trademark, copyrights, इन सब का registration, patent कराना, ये सब चीज़ों में भी intellectual satisfaction भी दे सकता है. And also when you talk about with those intellect people, वहाँ पे भी ये help करता है. Because imagine a situation you are into a field where you are actually interacting on the knowledge sharing basis, ये कितना अच्छा रहता है, which we also experience a lot many times when we interact with you students also. Then we have innovation in law, tech and education. अभी सोचिए तीनों साथ में हो जाएंगे. टेक इज देयर, इनोवेशन इज हैपनिंग एंड लॉ में अगर ये सब साथ मिल जाते हैं तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास ये ऑप्शन बहुत बड़ा बन जाता है. नेक्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट ग्रोथ इन दी ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन विच इज ऑलरेडी बीन बूमिंग सिंस कोविड, उसके पोस्ट कोविड एंड देन उसके बाद से जो थिंग्स हैव टेकन अप इन अ डिफरेंट फ्लाइट लेवल. सो ये भी बहुत हेल्प करता है एंड दैट इज वाई दिस बिकम्स वन ऑफ माई चूजिंग ऑप्शंस कि इससे मेरा क्या बेनिफिट हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू बी दी एजुकेशन पाथवे. क्या होगा तो अगेन व्हेन अ स्टूडेंट हु इज देयर in a standard 12th and want to make an entry into the field of law, definitely they should go for entrance exams, and these entrance exams के बाद they can do a 5-year integrated LLB, BA LLB, BBA, BCom. Multiple colleges give the BSc LLB also, and certain optional workshops or the electives in the law teaching or the academic writing can also help those people. But specifically जो 5-year LLB कर रहे हैं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा benefit मिलता है. Next अगर graduation में already हो then what can be done, 3-year LLB and मतलब graduation के बाद you do a 3-year LLB or a master's that is LLM from an academic specialization, जहाँ पे मे बी आप नेट करके एक एग्जाम होता है वो क्वालिफाई कर लीजिए. PhD करके यू कैन इवन बिकम अ रिसर्चर, सर्टिफिकेशन इन लीगल रिसर्च, टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी और एडटेक टूल्स मल्टीपल. अब तो AI के इतने ज़्यादा टूल्स आ चुके हैं कि इट कैन बी कोलैबोरेटिव विद एजुकेशन एंड हेल्प. अब अगर AI को मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शन देना है तो एक लीगल एजुकेशन एक्सपर्ट अगर वो दे पाएगा तो उससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. तो ये सब पता चलने के बाद क्वेश्चन कम कि सर हाउ कैन आई बी मेकिंग माई ओन वेल्दी करियर ऑप्शन ओवर हेयर. सो इन इंडिया एन एंट्री लेवल गेट्स अराउंड 4 to 8 लाख पर एनम, बट एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद you can definitely make entry being a professor in the college or an edtech, which ranges between 12 to 20 lakh, and even it can be more than this also depending upon your knowledge base, your experience. But you want to make an option into the abroad also, the 50,000 say $1 lakh per year भी it becomes an option. ये तो हो गए जो if you join an organization, but you also get an option when you have the skill of online content creation. You can be a part of a freelancer community or an online course developer also, where your course can easily be accessed by people at a less cost. अब तो apps and everything, websites बना के people are actually college के time से they are actually making a lot of money. So ये बहुत अच्छा career option, a side hustle or the main hustle can also be part of it. And if you guys have liked this video, what you guys have to do is to share this video as much as possible. End तक देखा तो thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you end the video. Bye bye, take care, and सिद्धांत सर signing off. वापस जल्दी मिलेंगे.